Namaste from me to you. I'm Sharmila and welcome to Swayambhu Discover Yourself. Today, our focus will be on 4 words which, will, way, right. So let's start with the first word, which. Which one? Which one? Which language? Which is? Which language do you speak? Which team won? Which is your bag? Tia and Nia are twins. Which one is Tia? Which is your book? Which brand of laptop do you prefer, sir? Which newspaper do you read? There are 4 keys. I don't know which key will open this lock. Which flower do you like the most? Which flower do you like the most? The next word is will. Will be. Will do. Will you? I will. Where will we meet? In the mall or in the park? I suppose we'll meet in the mall. Will you help me clean the room? Will you give me your science notebook? Yes, I will. Oil will float on water. Will it rain this afternoon? I think it will. I will speak to you tomorrow. As you wish. It's a 100-meter running race. Who do you think will win? Who do you think will come first? Bring me a cup of tea, will you? I will call you. The next word is way. Way in, way out, one way, 2 ways. Come this way, please. Oh, I know the way. Then show us the way. There are 2 roads here. Which way from here? It's a one-way lane. Don't enter it. If there is a way into this cave, then there must be a way out. The next word is write. Write down. Write a letter. I write poems. The teacher asked the students to write a letter to their friend. Write in pencil. Who wrote this essay? Did you write it, Laksh? No, ma'am, I didn't write that. What are you writing? I am writing an essay on my mother. Don't write in red pen. Write it in blue pen. Yes, ma'am, I'll write it in blue pen. That's all for today. Meet you in my next class. And as always, stay healthy, stay blessed, and take care. Thank you for being my inspiration. Be happy always.